Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. What is the best description of a sector rotation strategy? Option A. Adjusts investments according to which industry sector will rally most during various stages of the economic cycle. Option B. Shifts investments from one cyclical industry to another depending on the stage of the economic cycle. Option C. Occasional adjustments lead to lower trading costs and expenses. Option D. Shifts from one sector to another during various economic cycles using a bottom-up approach. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Adjusts investments according to which industry sector will rally most during various stages of the economic cycle. Question 2. Which type of client may be suitable for a direct guidance self-directed brokerage model? Option A. A client who dislikes regular trading and seeks a passive management model. Option B. A client who trades frequently. Sources trade ideas from their favorite web threads and dislikes in-person meetings. Option C. A client who is confident in their trade decisions and is not looking for advice. Option D. A client who is looking for a broker who can offer lots of ancillary consultative services like financial planning and wealth management. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. A client who trades frequently. Sources trade ideas from their favorite web threads and dislikes in-person meetings. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.